Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at measurement 2, reading the measurements in a micrometer screw gauge. We are told that the figure below shows part of micrometer screw gauge with a zero error of negative 0.04 millimeters. Write down the exact length measured. So for us to extract the exact reading from this micrometer screw gauge, we have to know that there are two scales to be interpreted. One is the sleeve scale and the other one is the thimble scale. So this one is the thimble scale and this is the sleeve scale. So from the sleeve scale reading, I'm going to obtain the reading by counting the dimensions here from 0, 1, 2. But now on the lower side of the sleeve scale, we have the half millimeter divisions. So from 0 to 1, there is the 0.5 division. So that from 1 to 2, there is the 1.5. Now the reading indicated here is 2.5. So it is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, then 2. So this is at 2.5. So we have 2.5 as the sleeve scale reading. And again, we have what we call the thimble scale reading. So our thimble scale reading is going to be, we're going to check the mark which is coinciding with this line here, the axis of the sleeve scale should coincide with a mark in the thimble scale, and the mark is this one. So if this is 45, then we're going to count 46, 47. It should be noted that this is a 50. So we're going to have 45, 46, 47. Now this 47 is usually multiplied with the least count, which is 1 out of 100, or rather 0.01, to make it 0.47. Now to get the total reading from this instrument called the thimble, the micrometer screw gauge, we add the sleeve scale reading, and the thimble scale reading. So this is going to be 792 millimeters. That is the total reading. But now we are having exact reading. So exact reading, or the exact length of whatever was being measured, we're going now, because we have an error which is negative, it should be added to the reading. So we add negative errors. A negative error should be added for us to obtain the exact reading. If the error was positive, we could have subtracted it. So we're going to have 3, carry 1 to make this one a 0 and this one a 3. So we have 3.03 millimeters as the actual reading from this micrometer screw gauge. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.